Support vector mission. So today our class is support vector mission. So what is support vector mission? So support vector mission is a supervised machine learning algorithm which can be used for both classification or regression problems. But mostly it is used for the classification problems. So in this SVM algorithm, we plot each data in a n-dimensional space. Maybe it is called as scatter diagram. So in this SVM scatter diagram, the data plots means each data will be classified. So the data will be in different data, and one section of data will be in one side and one section of data will be in other side, and it is divided or classified or segregated by a hyperplane. So now we learn what is support vectors. So support vectors are data points that are closer to the hyperplane and influence the position and orientation of the hyperplane. Using these support vectors, we maximize the margin of the classifier. So deleting the supported vectors will change the position of the hyperplane. These are the points that help us to build our SVM model. Hyperplanes are decision boundaries that help to classify the data points. So data points falling on either side of the hyperplane can be attributed to different classes as we discussed it before. Also, the dimensions of the hyperplane depends upon the number of features. If the number of input features is 2, then the hyperplane is just a line. If the number of input features are 3, then the hyperplane becomes a two-dimensional plane. You can see the diagram here on the right hand side of the screen. Here two data sets are there. One data sets are colored in red color and another data sets are colored in blue color. So the red color might be the positive classes and the blue color will be the negative classes, or you can consider in a vice versa also. So these data sets are classified through three hyperplane. So one hyperplane on the blue side, on the one hyperplane on the other side, and there is a optimal hyperplane on the middle, which indicates in the orange color. The hyperplane formed by the support vectors at the red side means the z0 support vector is lying on the w into x plus b is equal to 1 line. Similarly, the another hyperplane near to the blue datasets are lying on the another hyperplane or support vector lying on the line w into x plus b is equal to minus 1. Distance between these two support vectors is margin m. M is equal to 2 by w bar in module. Now our objective function is to find the objective function of the system. So as we know that these vectors z0 and x0 are lying on the line w bar into x bar plus b is equal to 1 and w bar into x bar plus b is equal to minus 1. We also know that through diagram z naught bar is equal to x naught bar plus k bar, where k is perpendicular vector to the x naught bar and z naught bar. And this k bar vector and its magnitude is m. M means margin. We can also see that k bar vector is in direction with the w bar. So now we can write that k bar is equal to m. M means margin, that is the magnitude, and magnitude into direction. Direction in the direction of w bar by mod of w bar. So from the equation z naught bar is equal to x naught bar plus k bar, we find that z naught and x naught vectors lie on the support hyperplanes. So the two hyperplanes now are w bar into z naught bar plus b is equal to 1 and w bar into x naught bar plus b is equal to minus 1. So now the equation is z naught bar is equal to x naught bar plus k bar. So substitute the value of these values in the w bar into z naught bar plus b is equal to 1. So we already know that z naught is equal to x naught bar plus k bar. So w in bar into z naught bar replaced by x naught bar plus k plus b. Now expand this equation. If we expand this equation, we get w naught w bar into x naught bar plus w bar into k plus b is equal to 1. We know that w bar into x naught bar plus b is equal to minus 1. So what happened? W bar into k minus 1 is equal to 1. So w bar into k is equal to 2. So finally we can write the w bar k. We already know the value of k, that is magnitude m margin into its direction w bar by w bar mod is equal to 2. So now we can write the margin value m is equal to 2 by w bar in mod. So we can write this objective function maximize objective function m is equal to maximize 2 by w bar mod.